A Twitter user named Ale recently shared a render of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, highlighting its differences from the Galaxy Fold 5. Ali noted that the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable change is the wider cover display, with the render clearly showing the reduced hinge that results in a sleeker and broader design. What are your thoughts on the new design? Share your opinions in the comments below. Now, the same source has posted the first live look at the Galaxy Z Fold 6. In this photo, we see the front screen of the Fold 6. It's important to note that this is not an actual device but a dummy unit, according to Ali on Twitter. Ali mentioned that a Fold 6 dummy unit was found on a Korean forum, though the accuracy of this information is uncertain. Additionally, Ali posted 2 more photos today showing live images of the Z Fold 6 dummy while the phone was unfolded. He noted that this appears to be the Galaxy Z Fold 6, with squared edges creating a notable difference, and a slightly shorter but wider inner screen, giving it a distinct look compared to the Fold 5. What do you think about this first live look at the Z Fold 6? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. Leaks suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will take design ideas from other foldable phones, and a new photo appears to confirm this. A reliable leaker, Ice Universe, shared a photo that shows just a peek of the Galaxy Z Fold 6's outer screen. This screen is reportedly wider and sharper than the one on the Fold 5. Although the photo doesn't reveal much detail, it seems that the cover display has indeed become wider. According to one leak, the screen width will increase from 57mm to over 60mm, making it more similar to the design of the OnePlus Open. This change could appeal to consumers who prefer a more usable external display. Ice Universe mentioned that the phone will have symmetrical bezels, but it's difficult to see from the photo whether they will also be slimmer. Previously leaked images suggest that the phone will have sharper corners than the Galaxy Z Fold 5. However, since today's picture only shows a part of the screen, we can't see the phone's edges. Ice Universe has been gradually sharing information about the Fold 6. Recently, the leaker posted an image of the Fold 6's camera module, supporting a rumor that suggested the phone would have improved cameras. The tipster also mentioned that the crease on the phone's inner screen won't be as noticeable as is on the Fold 5. The Fold 6 is also expected to offer improved performance, with rumors suggesting it will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in all markets. Additionally, it will be slimmer and lighter compared to its predecessor. Samsung's book-style Galaxy Z Fold phones have long been regarded as top-notch foldables, but with increasing competition, that perception has shifted. However, a Fold 6 with an updated design could potentially help Samsung regain the spotlight and stand out once again. The phone is reportedly set to be unveiled on July 10, which isn't too far away. With the launch approaching, we can expect more leaks and details to surface in the meantime. If you found the information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for watching. Peace out.